Hello guys, in this video I will show you like how to get a co-founder AI for your project. I know guys, the most of you, if you're having businesses or you don't start businesses yet or like launching a startup, the most struggle point which is to find a real co-founder for you that believe in the vision, not believe in other thing or personal perspective and so on. So I will press here in the search which is co-founder AI and go for the first thing guys, it's really helpful. So after that, the website is gonna be open. Your dream co-founder, zero equity or execution, no VC needed. I will just go for start building, and here I will just get new conversation starting. I will sign up with Google to win time once again. So after I get like the credential and sign up switches, the icon founder don't ask for equity, don't sleep, just help you from idea to execution. 10x faster, 10x learner, your idea is yours. Always, you don't need to know how to code. You just need your vision. I bring the tools, the workflow, the payload, the help you build smarter, launch sooner, and grow faster. So I will go for iteration. What's your name? Nice to meet you, Gangi. What's your last name? I will get solution. So here what describe the best my role, which is founder. Yes, I'm delivering like a business. It's based on your skills, guys, and your criteria and so on. So I will just mention random things, which is fake message mockups. It is like in the launch one. Creating mockups more easier, more funnier of the social media can be a hell time winning for marketing agencies. A random idea here, guys. Just a random thing. What do you say the target customer of the user of your business? What is our marketing agencies? And user random one. What are the main point of challenges of your business help you to solve your character? The marketing wise, how I can communicate about my business. So guys, I am doing the real education thing. So here, great, I have all the information. I need to make mockups, generate a buyer persona to get started. So okay, we generate persona. So here guys, it's gonna be creating your buyer persona, which is the target customer, how you can selling and by tracing this. This is one of use case that the most use it. It's based on your use case, guys. Feel free to do that. Feel free to get assistance of your the founder AI. Go for it. Just launch your businesses. Don't think twice. Just think and do the job. I hope you liked the video. Subscribe to the channel and peace.